Hey everyone, this is SEA Crypto Daily Buzz. Today is May 27th, 2026. This channel summarizes the most important crypto news for investors in Southeast Asia, with calm analysis instead of hype. Today we break down three major stories: the relentless ETF outflows from Bitcoin and Ethereum, the official arrival of Binance in the Philippines, and the deepening confidence problem for Ethereum. Stay tuned. Our first story: the selling pressure inside US crypto ETFs is no longer a one-day story. According to Farside Investors, US spot Bitcoin ETFs saw another $333.6 million in net outflows yesterday, marking 7 straight trading days of redemptions. Similarly, US spot Ethereum ETFs lost another $35.1 million yesterday, marking the 11th consecutive day in the red. This sustained outflow reflects a cooling of institutional interest. Technically, BTC is trading in a $75,800 to $77,400 zone. While ETF flows are negative, the price consolidation suggests spot buyers are holding the line. On-chain data shows an anonymous whale just withdrew 873 BTC, worth about $66.2 million, from OKX. This is typically read as a long-term holding signal. For Southeast Asia investors, the message is mixed. Institutional flows say risk-off, but quiet whale accumulation hints at preparation for the next leg. This is a moment to focus on cost averaging. Moving on to our second story, Binance is officially entering the Philippine market through a strategic partnership with local fintech firm Blockshoals. This is a major milestone. Crucially, this is occurring inside the Philippine SEC's regulatory Sandbox framework. Filipino users will finally access Binance through a structure that local regulators have explicitly cleared. The implication is significant. A sandboxed Binance could become a default rail for OFW remittance, peso-stablecoin pairs, and even on-chain payroll for local businesses. This forces other offshore platforms to compete on compliance and local service, not just fees, potentially leading to a more mature and stable market in the Philippines. For local users, verify the Sandbox approval directly with the SEC. Treat any non-official Binance Philippines link as a serious phishing risk during this rollout phase. Stay vigilant. Our third story focuses on Ethereum, which is dealing with a growing confidence problem. Recent high-profile exits are creating a narrative challenge for the network. Bankless host David Hoffman confirmed he sold his entire ETH position, citing a lack of catalysts, and former core developer Conor has also sharply reduced his holdings. This lands on top of news that Vitalik will reduce his influence inside the foundation, while ETH spot ETF flows remain negative for an 11th straight day. None of this means Ethereum is broken, but leadership shifts and persistent redemptions are conditions that can keep ETH range-bound and underperforming for an extended period. For SEA investors, this is a positioning moment. Watch staking flows, L2 activity, and developer momentum before assuming the next strong rally belongs to Ethereum. Stay informed. Quick recap: BTC and ETH ETF outflows continue, Binance officially enters the Philippines via a sandbox, and Ethereum faces a narrative confidence crisis among key players. This video is for information and education only and is not financial advice. All investment decisions and risks are your own responsibility. Please do your own research. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. Join our free Telegram channel for more insights. Link in the description. See you next time.